TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 171. You get the NASDAQ off 24. S&Ps are down 16.5. You have the gold contract up 330, trading at 11.07. Silver is down 6 pennies at $15.23. You get platinum at 9.82. Copper's down 7 pennies, 2.32. Light sweet crude, folks, is just getting taken out to the woodshed big time. You get light sweet crude down $1.66, trading at 43.31. That baby looks like it wants to not only go after the 42 swing low, it looks like it wants to go break 40, maybe run down to that 35 mark, which was the 2008 lows. Bonds, the ever-ready bond market, are moving topside once again with volume. You got the 10-year up 25 ticks, 127.25. 30-year up a full point, almost 2 points actually, a point and 27 ticks at 158.20. Bonds want higher price, lower yield. And King dollar, folks, can't handle higher price. King dollar down 132 at 97.07. The euro is up 47 at $1.10. And the yen is up 21 at 124.83. Now, when you come over and you take a look at the SPY, if you take a look at the SPY, what you're going to see is that the give up this morning is fast, furious, all of the above. Bottom line, inside the SPY, since the highs that were generated on May 20th, what do you have? You have 6 lower highs. You have 4 lower lows. Bottom line, what is that all about? Well, we haven't moved in 6 months, but that from the aspect of the 20th of May is a downtrend. We'll see whether we get an expansion of volume as we go lower today. Thus far, we have got a huge expansion of volume. We've done 20 million shares thus far inside the SPY, when all day yesterday we had done 80 million. If we go inside the NDX 100, what you're going to see inside the NDX 100 is the same type of setup. Bottom line is that NDX 100 moved higher yesterday, didn't have any juice behind the move. It was going into a 42 million share day. It did 21 million, and then we're lower today, and we've already done 6. So bottom line, we're going to be doing heavier volume on the way down here. And inside the NDX 100, even when it is negative, by the way, what you have is that Google is putting a huge amount of strength in it, because Google's up. You have 2 separate Googles, of course. You get the GOOG and the GOOGL. They both have a large weighting structure inside the NDX 100, and one's up 37. Well, they're both up $37. So you can see the bottom line is that that couldn't even hold the NDX 100 up. We go take a look at the 10-year bond first. What you're looking at the 10-year bond is this, folks. You've done 661,000 contracts. Bottom line, the swing point out here, your first swing point, which it was going after, which they sliced it and diced it, took it over, was 127.19. It's over that. 10-year bond wants to run up to this 129.21 area. And what I expect there, what that's all about, folks, is that there's just huge amounts of money that want to make sure that they actually just get their money back. That's what that's all about. And King dollar, to finish up with King dollar, what you have with King dollar has been showing on a continual basis it just can't handle the 98 area. We're at 97.03. King dollar wants to run down to this June 18th area, which is 94 to 93. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, call 855-750-4051. That's 855-750-4051. Or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
If you're looking for a great opportunity to diversify your financial portfolio, consider the Principal Protected Market Safe CD from Everbank. They've just released the second running of their 5-year Market Safe Power Metal CD, which combines the power of gold, silver, and copper. You get exposure to 3 valuable metals in one index CD and have the potential to earn up to 45% capped upside payment at maturity if the metals increase in value across annual pricing dates. And should they decrease? No worries. There's zero risk to your deposited principal here, as you still get 100% of it back. Keep in mind, returns are based on CD performance. There is no annual percentage yield or periodic rate of interest on the CD. Intrigued yet? The August 17th funding deadline is quickly approaching. So hurry over to everbank.com/TFNN for more information, including important product details and disclosures. Once again, that's everbank.com/TFNN. Everbank is a member FDIC.